Hello, Zacka007. In today's video, I'm doing a continuation of my Pimping my keyboard series. So to quickly recap, in the first video of the series, I replaced my boring black keycaps with some transparent and some green ones. Moving on, in the second video, I got some black carbon fiber, and it ended up being silver actually, and then placing it across my keyboard to give it that sweet carbon fiber look and to minimize the amount of fingerprints on it. In today's video, I put on black transparent cap set, and this is the final look. If you're interested in installing these keycaps, it's the same as any other keycap. Go ahead and watch my first video if you're not too sure on that. Basically, these keycaps are black transparent, so if you've ever seen a car with like blacked out lights, they essentially look the same, and then they're front printed. So instead of the letters being on the top of the keycap, they're actually on the front of them. So I actually prefer them like this. They're actually easier to see if you lean back in your chair. So yeah, that is pretty much it actually for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little update on my keyboard. Like I said, it's just installing keycaps, so if you're interested on actually how to do that, go ahead and watch my first video in this series. Otherwise guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video. This is Zacka007, and I'm signing off.